In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF in DocHub. We'll walk through the core editing tools so you can quickly update text, add images, and manage pages inside an existing PDF without starting over from scratch. First, open your document in DocHub. Upload the PDF from your computer or bring it in from cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. Once the file is loaded, take a moment to look over the page you want to change so you know exactly what needs to be updated before you begin editing. If you need to remove existing text or cover part of an image, use the whiteout tool, which looks like an eraser icon. Click it, then drag over the content you want to hide. This is useful when you want to replace outdated wording, remove unwanted details, or clean up a section before adding something new. Try to cover only the area you need so the page still looks neat and natural. Next, add replacement text using the text tool, marked with a capital A icon. Click directly over the whited out area and type in your new content. This lets you update forms, correct information, or rewrite parts of the document while keeping the layout easy to read. If your PDF needs a logo, graphic, or another visual element, click the Insert Image tool, shown with a picture icon. Upload your image and place it over the document where it belongs. Make sure it's aligned well so it blends into the page cleanly. To manage pages, open the Page Manager by clicking the grid of 4 squares on the far left sidebar. From there, you can click and drag page thumbnails to reorder them. If a page is no longer needed, hover over its thumbnail and click the trash bin icon to delete it. You can also rotate a page using the rotate arrows on its thumbnail if it appears sideways or upside down. Finally, if you want to combine documents, click Append File at the bottom of the sidebar to insert pages from another PDF.